Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Sabah Tehur. I welcome you all in week 12 OSP round 2. Before starting our today's topic, let's have some recap. What is the purpose of calculating sum? If we want to calculate different cells, we use the sum formula. If we want to calculate the average, we put the average formula. And what is the function of autofill? Exactly, if we want to fill the cells automatically, we use the autofill formula. So this is our continuation of previous week. So the topic will be same, format a cell. Your pages will be 38 to 39 if you have the new books. If you have the old books, then pages will be 84 and 85. So what will we learn today? What will be the objective? At the end of this topic, we will be able to decrease or increase the decimal digits, and we will be able to use min and max functions. What is format a cell? How can we do that? Decimal places are the numbers which appear after the decimal point, which appear after the dot, right? So what will it be? How can we do that? Yes, on the home tab of your MS Excel in numbers group, you have to click decrease decimal and click it as many times to leave only 1 or 2 digits after the decimal mark. And how can we put max and min functions, and what are they? Yes, we can also use the functions to compare numbers. Max and mins are used to compare the numbers. The min function gives us the smallest number and max function gives us the largest number. If we want to see from the given table then which number is the smallest, so we can use the min function. And if we want to see the largest number from the given table, then we will use max function, right? It is time for the homework. So this is our hands-on activity. It is page number 85 if you have the old books, and page number 38 if you have the new books. So the hands-on activity will be, you have to write down the following table, format it, and do the calculations where needed. Do not use the functions. Here you have to make the table that is given in hands-on activity on your MS Excel, and then you have to submit it to your teacher, right? Is it clear? I hope it is clear to all of you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.